Hi guys, it's Amy. This is the last video I'm going to post this week, so let's talk about oils in the bedroom. No, I'm just kidding, but I got your attention, right? So to that point, there is an oil for everything. Big or small, cuts or scrapes to your everyday needs, cleaning essentials, even to your most complicated health issues. There truly is an oil for everything, and I have the resources to help you find that. The medical and scientific science behind it, the sourcing behind the oils, the testing of the oils, the medical partnerships, the medical and scientific advisory boards, the business facts of the company, and all the amazing ways that doTERRA gives back to the communities in which they source, and all the humanitarian projects. So should that be of interest to you, I definitely have all the information to you. But most importantly, how to use the oils, because that is something that can definitely benefit your life. So I hope that you have all found something helpful and informative in each of the videos that I posted this week. And I hope that I've inspired you to try something new, to replace some of your conventional products that we all have grown up with. We all have had Tylenol and Windex and Clorox and whatever else in your house, right? But why not a doTERRA essential oil? Because it's pure, it's safe, it's effective, and it's easy to use. I can help you with that. So a few of you have already reached out to me, so that's awesome. I will definitely get back to you. Just trying to get through quarter-end close and work and life. I'm probably going to go out to eat in a little bit here, but my mission and my passion is to get an oil into each and every one of your homes and to change your life. I've seen it so many times of how the oils have changed people's lives, their health, their financial well-being, all that good stuff, right? And doTERRA is about empowering people in their homes, empowering us with choices, with better options. And it's been quite the journey for me, especially over this past year. I've been using oils for about 4 years now, but this past year has truly changed my life, not just my body and our health and our home and how we take care of our home, but in my mind and in my spirit and all the relationships and connections that I have gained with being in this doTERRA family. And it truly is a family. It's not this person working against this person. It truly is a family, and we've built so many relationships and connections. It's been absolutely mind-boggling. And if you're looking for something, this is it. Okay, you guys, this is it, and I can introduce you to that world. So what I usually do to bring oils into people's houses, and this is why I'm posting, is kind of share what I'm doing and how I can help you. I usually do a lot of one-on-ones with people, talking with them in the evenings via a web-based call like this, and just kind of going over some of the things that are important to you. What are some things you have going on in your life? People talk about aches and pains. People talk about immune support. People say, what do you have for digestion? What do you have for, headaches and all that good stuff, right? There's an oil for that. So I usually go over some things you have going on and give you a little information about the company, very brief and high level, and then I go over how to use oils. They're very, very simple, and they can be applied against almost all the oils that we have, right? And the top 10 oils that people generally start with. So if you were to jump in and say, I want to start using oils today, where do I start? I'll show you. These are the top 10 oils that people generally start with if you were to replace your medicine cabinet. And they're very easy to use. They're very safe to use, from everyone from in vitro to death, really, to you're done, right? Which is very cruel. I don't know where that came from, but in any case, I have oils for everybody. And I will be posting my new class schedule in the comments below in the link, and I will also have my one-on-one class schedule up soon. It'll be in the next couple days. I have to have time to put that up, but just reach out to me. I would love to help you, love to get that into your home. And then I will guide you along the way. You're not going to, get oils. You definitely don't have to buy anything. We can talk about it first, of course, and see if it's right for you. But if you choose to go that way, I will help you out, and then you have me as a guide. I'm a wellness advocate. That means I will teach you how to use the oils. I will be with you along the way, and I am your resource. And I have other resources for you and ways to learn how to use the oils, as well as communities. So that is what I can share with you. And I'm also looking for some fun and inspiring women who can help me in this journey, and so if this resonated with you, reach out to me, and I'd love to talk to you more and see if you're willing to jump in and spread the word, spread the oils, spread the natural solutions out there, because God only knows we need this in this world. We need healthier and natural ways to take care of our families and take care of our homes. So hopefully that was somewhat helpful and inspiring to you. It's Friday, so my mind is just blown. I need to go and have a drink with my family and have dinner and just kind of chill out for the rest of the weekend. So I'm wishing you all a happy and safe 4th of July for those of you here in the States, and for some of my international friends as well, wishing everybody a nice long weekend. So thanks again for watching, and have a great one. Bye guys.